so now we're going to get into our calculator. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find the value of this exponent or solve this equation, and we want to approximate, right? The question is round to the nearest hundredth, right? So here, I can't rewrite 75 in base 10, and when you can't do that, then we have no other choice but to use a logarithm. So we start with an empty log. Now, first it's log base something of something equals something. So the base of my exponential format here is 10. So this is really log base 10. Now I know I'm working with the common log. And then if you use this little trick I showed you, base 10 raised to this exponent equals the argument. Right? So the exponent is x right now, and then the argument is 75. So this is saying log base 10 of 75. So the real way to look at this is just log of 75. Whenever we're working with the common log, we don't write base 10. And now what you're going to do is you're going to navigate onto your calculator, and you're going to look for where your exponent key is, right? It's usually on one of your keys, and it's the log key should be close to where you found the key for Euler's number, E. It's just going to say log. And really, that's all you do. You just type, log into your calculator, and then you hit 75, and then you hit the equal sign. It's going to approximate that. So when I do it, I'm getting, let's see, I find the log key, I type 75, close my group, hit enter, and in this case, it's approximating to, I guess it's, that's equal to x, but it's approximating to 1.87506, and so on. I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, so this is going to give me 1.88 as an answer. If you have trouble finding your log keys or knowing how to use your log keys, just meet me during office hours and I'll help you out with it. Let's try number 2. Number 2, that E is the natural number, E, Euler's number, 2.718. So at first, if you need to at first set it up, start with a basic empty logarithm. The base of our exponential idea here is E, so the base of my log is E, and then it's E to what exponent? Well, in this case, it's x, because this is my exponent, is equal to the argument of 75. We never want to leave an answer written as log base E. When you are working in log base E, that's the natural logarithm. So we want to use the notation for the natural logarithm. So we're going to use ln, which is a logarithm in base E programmed on the calculator. So then this is going to translate to the natural log ln of 75, and then we're going to use it similar to the way we evaluated that common log above. So find the natural log key on your calculator. Again, it should be located where the logarithms are located, that common log key. Another area would be, it should be right next to where your access to the natural number E is, right? So if you can find E, then ln should be right next to it. So we hit natural log of 75. E approximates to 4.31748, so on. We're rounding to the nearest hundredth, so this is going to become 4.32.